How to buy Groklet token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is the referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Found your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, the token is available on the screener. It's created 10 hours ago and it increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The token trending number 3 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your BNB wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Groklet. After you find it, click on it. Click on swap, switch from here from the top. You can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Groklet token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.